guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today is the day. What day you may ask? It's the day for Google Camera. So a lot of you guys out there might know that I've been using the Mi A3 as my daily driver for a couple of days now, and the first thing that I had to do was install Google Camera, and that's exactly what I did. I installed Google Camera on the Mi A3, but this time it wasn't an easy process. It took me about 5 to 6 APKs to get to the right one, but I finally did manage to get to the right one. And today in this video, let's talk about that APK. Now let's begin by comparing images with the stock camera application and Google Camera app. First difference is in terms of the exposure. So the stock camera app tends to keep the exposure on the higher side, and this is with HDR turned on or off. As a matter of fact, when you turn on HDR on the stock camera app, it sometimes overexposes the photo in order to give you a better dynamic range, but that is not the right way to do it. The right way is what Google Camera does. It gives you very good dynamic range, and even the exposure is very good, like the photo is very well balanced overall. Now the next part that comes in is colors and saturation level. Surprisingly enough, the stock camera app and Google Camera are very similar when it comes to the colors and saturation levels. In fact, there is no major difference in both of them, and that is a very good thing. This shows that Xiaomi has optimized the camera app in a very good way when it comes to the colors. The colors are natural, you don't get oversaturated images, and that's exactly how I like my images. So a very big thumbs up for that. Now one place where Google Camera clearly wins over the stock camera is in terms of them selfies. Selfies are way better from Google Camera. You get better dynamic range, you get better detail level, and overall the images look much better from the front camera when it comes to Google Camera app. So when it comes to selfies, I would any day prefer the Google Camera application. Now I know a lot of you guys out there are going to ask me about night sight, and let me tell you, night sight works really well on the Mi A3 with Google Camera app. Now Mi A3 also comes with a dedicated night mode in the stock camera app, but night sight is obviously way better than that. Night sight will give you some really good images in terms of low lighting conditions, and if you haven't tried night sight yet, then I would suggest you to try it immediately because it's like magic. I say this in all my Google Camera videos because night sight is practically magic. Now in some cases the stock camera app actually performs better than the Google Camera application, and that does happen. So if you feel that stock camera application is actually better than Gcam, then I totally respect that. But I personally like Gcam in a lot of situations because it does produce better images, like images which I particularly like. So it all comes down to personal preference, and if you think that stock camera is better, then no worries, you can just use the stock camera. And this is like a win-win situation for every side. So overall, Google Camera is definitely better than the stock camera application. Now I'm not saying that it is miles ahead or something like that, but it's like a free upgrade to your smartphone, so why not just do it, right? It's not going to void your warranty. It's just an application that you need to download, install, and start shooting some awesome photos. Now talking about installing Google Camera, here's how you do it. You have to download the APK, which will be available in the description box below. Like I'll drop a link to it in the description box below. Once you download it, you need to go into the app setting and clear all the data of that app. Once you do that, you are good to go and you can start shooting some really good photos with the Google Camera. So yeah, go ahead and install Gcam on your Mi A3, shoot some awesome photos, upload them to Instagram or Twitter, and tag me because I would love to see what you produce with this awesome application. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it helped you out in some way or the other, and if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and see you guys in the next one.